Hi my little friends, how are you today? In the last lesson we saw the sound long A, like A. In this lesson we will see long E. It sounds much like the letter itself, E. But just like a long A, even the long E sound is made with a combination of different letters. Let's see what are those combinations. You can identify a long E sound when there are some consonants, then an E, consonants again, and an E in the end. So when there is E in the middle and E in the end. Like this, these. The next combination is, so you may have some consonants, then E-A to make the long E sound, followed by some consonants again, like this. Leaf. Can you think of another word? Right, meal. Good job. Another way when you can read long E is when the E is the first letter of the word, followed by a combination of consonants and vowels, like this. Evil. Can you think of another word? Yes, equal. Good job. A long E can also be made by writing E twice. So you may have some consonants, E, E, and some consonants again, like this. Tree. Good job. Can you think of another word? Right, deep. Sometimes when you have a Y in the end of the word, it can be sounded as a long E, like this. 50. Another example could be very. Great. Again, sometimes when a word ends with an EY, it can be sounded as a long E. For example, honey. Can you think of a similar word? Right, money. Cool. And lastly, I and E put together make a long E sound too. So you may have some consonants, IE, and followed by some consonants again, like this. Thief. I can think of cookie, right? Let's practice few more words. I hope you will be able to identify the long E sound here. Do observe the spellings carefully. Let's get started. Peace. Meal. Leaf. Equal. Bee. Tree. Green. 50. Bunny. Turkey. Money. Cookie. Movie. Good job. Do practice some more words with your parents and try to write them. There are hundreds and hundreds of words for long E sound, and the more you practice, the better you will get at it. Let's meet in the next lesson with some more interesting words. Till then, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.